Good. How are you, everyone? Today we are going to do some numericals on concentration expression. So let us see our first example. Concentrated sulfuric acid contains 98% acid by weight. Its density is 1.85 into 10 exponent 3 kg per meter minus 3. Calculate its molarity. So solution is molarity of sulfuric acid equal number of moles of sulfuric acid divided by volume in decameter cube. So mass of sulfuric acid in 1 meter cube upon molar mass into 10 exponent 3 decameter cube. So it is 9.8 into 1.85 into 10 exponent 3 upon 100 multiply 0.098 into 1 upon 10 exponent 3, which is equal to 18.5 capital M. So it's the molarity. Now let us see our example 2. A solution contains 0.1 kg each of water and ethanol. Find mole fraction of each component. So its solution is masses of ethanol and water are 0.1 kg. It means each is 100 gram in amount. Number of mole of ethanol equal 0.1 kg upon 0.046 kg per mole, which is equal to 2.17 mole. Now number of mole of water equal 0.1 upon 0.018 kg per mole, which is equal to 5.56 mole. Now mole fraction of ethanol in solution, which is equal to 2.17 divided by 2.17 plus 5.56, which is equal to 2.17 upon 7.73. It gives us 0.28. Mole fraction has no unit. Now mole fraction of water in the solution will be 1 minus 0.28, which is equal to 0.72. Now our next question is if 0.1 kg of an aqueous solution of potassium chloride contains 7.45 into 10 exponent minus 3 kg of the solute, then calculate the molarity of the solution. Okay, so friends, mass of solute, it means KCl equals 7.45 into 10 exponent 3 minus kg. It means total mass of solute which is present in KCl. Mass of the solvent equal 100 minus 7.45 bracket 10 exponent minus 3 kg, which is equal to 92.55 into 10 exponent 3 minus 10 exponent minus 3 kg. So now number of moles of the solute is equal to 7.45 into 10 exponent 3 upon 7.45 into 10 exponent minus 2, which is equal to 0.1 mole. So now molarity of solution equal 0.1 upon 92.55 into 10 exponent minus 3, which is equal to 1.08 small m. So it's our answer. And now let us see our another example. It means last fourth example. An azeotropic mixture of HCl and water contains 0.2% HCl. Calculate its molality. So let me explain you one thing, that azeotropes are called constant boiling mixtures. Since these mixtures boil at constant temperature, the vapors coming out of the azeotropic mixture have the same composition as the liquid. So we can also say it that they cannot be separated into pure components by fractional distillation. So now let us consider 0.1 kg of the azeotropic mixture. Mass of water in solution equal 0.1 minus 0.0202, which is equal to 0.0798 kg. Number of moles of HCl dissolved in H2O equal mass of HCl upon molar mass of HCl, which is equal to 0.0202 upon 0.0365, which is equal to 0.553 mole. Now molarity of the solution will be equal to number of moles of HCl divided by mass of water, which is equal to 0.553 mole. Molality of solution equal number of moles of HCl upon mass of water, which is equal to 0.553 mole upon 0.0798 kg, which is equal to at last 6.93 small m. Small m means molarity. So I hope you like this video very much. Thank you.